Scorpions are prevalent in the American Southwest, but can be found throughout the United States. They generally shy away from people, but can sting if agitated. It's hard to kill scorpions unless you make direct contact with the pests themselves. Instead, you want to treat your property for the small pests they prey on, like crickets and spiders. They are less likely to live on your property if they can't find a food source. Select an insecticide labeled for scorpions and their prey. Then mix that insecticide in a hand pump or backpack sprayer with water according to the instructions on the product label. Vigorously shake your water and insecticide solution to combine. Be sure to wear long sleeves and gloves when mixing and applying insecticides. Spray your insecticide mixture around the foundation of your home, up and out, according to the instructions on the insecticide label. This will create a barrier treatment for pests. Then, using an insecticide labeled for scorpions and indoor use, spray the areas of your home where pests may enter or hide. Areas around the home to spray include the corners of rooms, under appliances, behind toilets, beneath sinks, around door and window frames, in cracks and crevices, and along the walls and corners of garages and basements. Do not blanket spray the insecticide across a room. For both indoor and outdoor insecticide applications, know that areas that reach high heats and direct sunlight will need to be retreated more often than shaded, cooler areas. Refer to the product label of your insecticide for reapplication instructions. Glue traps are also a smart way to monitor your scorpion infestation. After treating, place glue traps in garages, closets, in the corners of rooms, and anywhere scorpions or their prey have been spotted. If you continue to catch scorpions or their prey on the glue traps after 21 days of treatment, repeat the treatment. If you spot a scorpion inside your home or on your property, you can spray it directly with insecticide. Be sure to wear heavy-duty work gloves to avoid stings. Use a UV flashlight at night or in the dark to search for scorpions. They are most active at night when they hunt their prey. Scorpions will only come onto your property if they're able to find crickets, spiders, and other prey. In addition to an insecticide application, you can make your home unwelcoming to these pests and scorpions. By cleaning out spider webs, eliminating wood piles, raking mulch away from your home's foundation, and applying weather stripping around doors and windows. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.